Hello everyone, this is Dolly from JD Live. Today I have prepared with a lipstick review. This is my first lipstick review ever, so I'm quite excited. This lipstick is from the brand Dearmay. The full name is Breeze Matte Lipstick. You can check it out on their website dearmay.co.kr. It's 3.6 gram and it's 14,000 Korean won. I bought all the 9 colors, so I will show all the 9 colors on my wrist and on my lips also. You can see the color name over here and you can see about the tone over here, so it's really easy to understand which color is this and what kind of tone it contains. The packaging is really simple and elegant at the same time. I would also say it's modern because of the black color and because of this baby pink cute text over here, but as an extra I would mention that it has a magnet inside of the package, so when you want to close it, it will just close automatically. I would say these colors are more classic or natural, and you can find different shades, for example orange, red or pink. All the colors express different moods, so one by one I will tell you what was my feeling about these colors, and also I would say that they are well pigmented and the colors will fade naturally. The texture of these lipsticks are matte, but also at the same time they are really soft and smooth on your lips. It will not cause any dryness or flakiness on your lips, so even if you wear them for a long time, you will not feel any uncomfortable dryness on your lips, and also they are super lightweight. So first of all, I will apply on the lipsticks onto my wrist, so you can see the colors from a closer distance, but you need to know that my skin tone is more neutral and also my skin color is about number 11 to number 13. So let's start with the first one. This one is number 1, Real Garnet. So as you can see, this is a red lipstick with a blue undertone. This color would fit for everyone, I think, even for people who has lighter skin tone or darker skin tone, warm tone or cool tone. So I think it's like a multi-lipstick that fits for everyone. So this is my natural lip. I didn't apply on anything else, and now I will go to the second color. This is Brick Red. Okay, so this is the second color, Brick Red, and this is more of a brown color with red undertone, I would say, and the package says that it has warm undertone. Unlike the first color, it's not a nightly date sexy color. Instead, it's more of a fashionable color, so I would use it in my everydays. I think this color is amazing. I love this color. I love reds and I love browns, and this is kind of a mixture of the two, so I think this color is amazing. My lips are more and more red. Okay, so the next color is the number 3, Autumn Maple. Okay, so this color is more of a deep orange. It's not that energetic, strong orange that sometimes you can see. It's more of a deep color and it has warm undertone as well. The next color is Marsala Rose. I was the most excited about this color. Okay, so this one is more of a rosy nude color. It's super natural. The tone is also neutral, and this is the it's your lips but better kind of lipstick color, so it's for the everyday usage. It doesn't matter what kind of color you use, what kind of clothes you use, it will match with everything. The next color is Pink Muhly. Okay, so this is a rosy pink color. The package says it has a cool tone, and I would say it's more of a romantic, lovely color, so if you go on a date, this is definitely a nice one for that. The next color is Sour Cherry. This is more of a bright red color and the package says that it has a cool tone. This lipstick will make your outlook more feminine, but still this strong, fashionable woman. I think this is a perfect lipstick for that. The next color is Lychee Pink. Well, it's more of a coral color with pink undertone. The package says it has cool tone, and the mood that I can feel is more of that cute girly style. I think it's really cute, and at the same time it's really natural color. The next color is Grapefruit Ade. This one is a bright orange color, but it's also not that pure orange. It has a red undertone and it has cool tone as the package says. And what kind of mood can I feel? Well, it's more energetic and more lively, I would say. The last color is Fire Opal. I think this is the kind of everyday lipstick, so if you don't want to use a nude lipstick, this one is also really nice for the everyday usage. So thank you for watching. If you're interested in Korean lipsticks that has matte texture but at the same time they will not dry out your skin and they are super creamy and super soft, I would recommend this lipstick for you. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.